After ambitious goals were set on Investor Day, the hot buzz on the street is all about what Apollo's planning next. Let's go live to Apollo HQ right in the middle of the New York City action to find out what they're thinking through, or should we say, thinking new.
Whoa, nice suit, Jim. Custom made?
Custom made and investment grade. So guys, we've been busy, but now that Investor Day is done, we got to focus on the important stuff, the holiday video.
What's your crystal ball telling you? What's in your gut?
It should be something innovative and not too cringy.
Plus, we don't want to give FinMeme accounts any new material.
Legally, we have no issue with the memes.
Yeah, I just think they're lame.
Yeah, no more memes, please.
Message received on the memes.
Let's ask the strategy team. They always come up with great ideas.
Definitely a holiday video idea.
Let's think about our big themes coming out of Investor Day. We had over 240 pages of content. There have to be some great holiday video ideas.
Maybe instead of a holiday video, we need a replacement, like a holiday letter?
That is true. Mark does say we're in the replacement business.
What you're going to see is the whole business of what I call replacement.
Replacement.
Equity replacement.
Fixed income replacement.
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 I don't know. I think we may have gone overboard on the replacements.
Pickleball. Tennis replacement.
Where is my desk phone?
Mark, have you worked out how to use your Zoom phone yet?
No, I assume we're going to replace it.
Byron, I'm getting a lot of heat for this desk phone thing. It wasn't my idea.
You can't post memes with a desk phone, so who cares?
We've replaced coffee with Froyo?
Yes.
Okay, what are you gonna get?
Vanilla used to be the safe option, but now I don't know. Is chocolate the better choice?
Maybe a combo could result in an even better outcome.
Ooh, I'll get a twist. The best of both worlds.
Sounds good.
Good choice. Like blending public and private markets in your portfolio. I've been picking up shifts at the Froyo bar. It's how I get the scoop on what's going on around here.
Do we have any alternative toppings? We are targeting 10x growth in Froyo toppings this year.
I take your point on going too far with the replacements.
Themes for this year's holiday video.
There are too many One Apollo wins to choose from.
A golf course, preferably one that I belong to.
I think I've got this covered.
Well, since you asked, there is a retirement crisis and a massive opportunity to solve a growing societal need. Why don't we talk about that?
What were you saying, Sean? I was posting on Meme and a Theme. Just ask Noah. He should have some ideas.
By the way, where's Noah?
I think he's still sleeping off Investor Day.
Shouldn't we just talk about origination? It is the lifeblood of our industry.
Was I the only one watching Investor Day?
All I really want to talk about are these hybrid cookies over here.
I know, where did these even come from?
Perfect. Looks great. I always knew hybrid cookies would be the next big thing. I've been saying that for 20 years.
Equity, credit, custom solutions.
What are you wearing?
It's the Renaissance thing. Remember?
No.
I kind of like this anyway.
Wait, we're not doing this Renaissance thing? Then why am I wearing this hat?
What are the chances we get out of the holiday video this year?
I'd say about 60-40.
Don't love those odds.
Or that strategy for portfolio construction.
Wait, let's take a break in that market action. I'm getting breaking news out of Apollo. Sources are telling me that the Froyo machine has broken. Let's quickly go back live on the scene to see how the team is handling this news.
What?
Mike, did you hear the Froyo machine broke? Hope we have insurance.
I think I know a guy.
Looks like illiquid assets are becoming more liquid. We can make a market out of that.
You're telling me that we don't have diversified sources of Froyo? That's just bad risk management.
Have you seen this one?
Did you see the Torsonomics meme about the Froyo machine? There better not be another 4:30 a.m. meeting about this.
4:30 a.m. Eastern time? That's great for Team Asia.
Finally, a 9:30 a.m. meeting with New York.
You know the team in Mumbai will be ready.
At Torstonomics? I thought memes were my thing.
Did you see what Equity posted?
No, their account's private.
Equity that's private. Isn't that something to consider?
So, Mark, we're facing some headwinds in the holiday video concept. We need your help.
We spent all this time with our 5-year plan, and I've distilled all our ideas into the
the top 3,000, and the holiday video is not here, right? So are we covering origination?
Check.
What about portfolio allocation?
Check.
What about the global industrial renaissance, or as I would say, renaissance?
Is that an Australian thing?
I think our holiday video is the essence of the Apollo spirit. It encapsulates our willingness to ignore conventional wisdom, think contrarian, and really lean into something that some say is a bad idea.
Do you hear about Dennis?
However, in this case, they're probably right.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Apollo and the Theme.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Team Asia.
Happy holidays.
圣诞节快乐.
연말연시 잘 보내세요. 감사합니다.
新年おめでとうございます.
Les deseamos unas muy felices fiestas y un muy próspero y feliz 2025 desde aquí desde Apolo.
Happy holidays from Apollo Europe.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Apollo Engineering.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.